Chelsea. Welcome and welcome back to Sublime Squirrel Channel. Since I grew up in Japan and we don't celebrate Thanksgiving in Japan, I made my own tradition, which is that Thanksgiving is the day to be thankful for everything. I'm thankful for all my squirrels who visit me and are so generous about me petting them. I'm thankful for all animals that I encounter, from lizards to deer, from non-fluff to super fluff. I'm thankful that they make me smile and laugh, bring calmness and educate me. I'm thankful for the beautiful nature, scenery, flowers and plants that I can see every single day and make me say, "Wow!" I'm thankful for being healthy and being able to enjoy eating. And finally, I'm very thankful for you guys. I sincerely enjoy meeting sweet squirrel lovers and interacting with you guys and sharing our knowledge, stories, and feelings. Thank you! Stay safe, smile a lot, and have a squirrel-tastic Thanksgiving!